Hi friends, we're ready for Unit 7, Week 1, Day 3. All right, we're going to start reviewing our new glued sounds. Say them with me. A-N-G, Fang, ang. I-N-G, ring, ing. O-N-G, song, ong. U-N-G, lung, ung. All right, let's review. A-N, fan, an. A-M, ham, am. A-L-L, ball, all. W-H, whistle, w. C-H, chin, ch. S-H, ship, sh. The next thing we're going to do is review our vowels. Here we go. A, say it with me. Apple. E, ed, ed. I, itch, itch. O, octopus, octopus. U, up, up. Great job. All right, today we have some new trick words. So we're going to read our trick words. Our first trick word is why. We're going to skywrite why. So I need you to stand up, 2 fingers straight out, and we're going to spell it. Here we go. Spell it with me and write it. W-H-Y. Why? All right, now do it with your eyes closed. Here we go. W-H-Y. Why? Good job. All right, here's our next one. By. 2 fingers out. B-Y. By. Eyes closed. B-Y. By. All right, here's our next one. Now, you should know this one, right? This word is my. Get those 2 fingers out. Let's skywrite. M-Y. My. Eyes closed. M-Y. My. All right, there's one more. Here we go. This word is try. Try. Let's spell it. Skywrite it. Here we go. Say it with me. T-R-Y. Try. Eyes closed. T-R-Y. Try. All of these end with the I sound. Let's read them again. Why, by, my, try. All right, I have some sentences we're going to read. Are you ready? Why is this here? Read it with me. Why is this here? Why did I circle why? That's right, it's a trick word this week. All right, let's read the next sentence. Did you try my cookies? One more time. Did you try my cookies? Why did I circle these 2 words? That's right, there are sight words. What's this word? Try. Good. And this one? My. All right, let's read our last sentence. This is illustrated by me. What is this word? By. Great job. All right, the next thing that I need you to do is I need you to get something to write with and something to write on. Push pause if you need to go grab it. Push play when you get back. All right, the first thing I want you to write is what makes the ang sound? Ang. Push pause, write it. Push play when you're ready to check. This is how I spell ang. A-N-G. Ang. All right, here's our next sound. Our next sound is ing. Write how to spell the sound ing. Push pause, then push play when you're ready to check. Ing, I-N-G, spells ing. All right, let's do one more sound. Our third sound that we're going to do is ung. Write how to spell the sound ung. Push pause and then push play when you're ready. Here we go. Ung, U-N-G, ung. All right, let's spell a word. Our first word is sing. Let's tap it together. Ing, sing. Let's tap it one more time. Ing, sing. I want you to go ahead and write it and mark it up. Push pause, and when you're ready to check, push play. Here is sing. S-I-N-G, sing. I put a box around ing because it's a glued sound. All right, here is our next word. Our next word is fang. Say it with me. Fang. All right, let's tap it. Arms up, hands up. Fang, fang. Go ahead and write it and mark it up. Push pause when you're ready. Push play to check. All right, here's our word, fang. F-A-N-G, fang. I put a box around A and G because it's a glued sound. All right, let's do our next word. Our next word is lung. Say the word, lung. All right, let's tap it. O-ung, lung. All right, go ahead and pause it, write it, and when you are done, push play. Don't forget to mark it up. Here's our word, lung. L-U-N-G, lung. U-N-G gets a box around it. Why? Because it's a glued sound. Great job. All right, let's spell a few more words. All right, this one is a review word. This word is rubs. All right, let's tap it. B, rub, rubs. All right, go ahead and click pause, write it, mark it up, and then click play. And you can check it with me. All right, here is our word rubs. R-U-B-S. I circled the S because it's a suffix. I underlined rub because it's the base word. All right, this time I'm going to see if you can write a trick word. Your trick word is was. Give it a try. Was. Now this isn't a sound out word, so see if you remember how to spell was. Give it a try, hit pause, and when you're done to check, hit play. Was. W-A-S. If you didn't spell it right, that's okay. Can you go ahead and fix it? Push pause and write was the right way on your board. All right, let's do one more trick word. This trick word is they. Go ahead and write they on your piece of paper or your board, and then hit play. Here we go. This word is they. T-H-E-Y. They. If you spelled it wrong, it's okay. Go ahead and write it the correct way. You did an awesome job today. All right, that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.